Today's video is sponsored by the Illuminati. Open your clip in the Fusion page, and add a merge node. Change the apply mode to screen, and you will see nothing. Bring a wand node in empty space, connect your clip to this, and drag it to the left viewer. Bring a matte control node in empty space, connect your clip to the yellow point, and the wand node to the green point. Change the combine to combine alpha, check the post multiply box, and increase the blur slider. Add a transform node after the matte control, and increase the size slider. Bring my favorite soft glow node after. Increase the glow slider, and connect it to the merge node as a foreground. If you want, you can open the color scale menu and add some color to your glow. You can go to the wand node, and adjust the range slider, to change the mask range. The setup of the effect is ready, and you are free to play around with the sliders to bring it to your taste. Obviously, my version will be the best, but it's not possible for everyone to be super talented like me. If you have no talent, you can buy my pack, and pretend that you are a good editor.